Today we are diving into the world of Adobe Photoshop to create a cool black theme color grading effect. Before we get started, check the description below for the image link. Now let's jump into the Photoshop. Click on the adjustment layers and select hue and saturation. Follow these steps to achieve the black theme color grading effect. Once you have made the adjustment, don't forget to compare the before and after by clicking on the little eye icon. Awesome, now let's take it up a notch. Head back to the adjustment layers, but this time we are adding selective color. Check out these settings on the screen. After making these changes, click on the eye icon to compare the before and after once again. And there you have it, a sleek black theme color grading effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to write in the comments and let me know if there is anything else you would like to learn. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.